quick walkthrough of story number 2 from Qasas on Nabiyeen. In this video we'll go through the translation of the text, we'll pick apart some grammatical concepts and some vocabulary, so inshallah whatever level you are on you can take some benefit. We are on story number 2, which is Waladu Azar. So Waladu Azar is idafa. It is Walad is mudaf and Azar is mudaf ilayh. But you may be wondering then, why is the word Azar maftuh? Why is there a fatha on it? This is because even though it is majroor, yani it is fi halat al-jar, it is majroor, the word Azar takes a fatha because it is mamnu' min as-sarf, or غير منصرف as some people call it. There are a number of conditions for a word to be mamnu' min as-sarf, but if you would like to know these, we can cover these in future videos inshallah. It is beyond the scope of this video. So now we proceed. وَكَانَ آزَرُ لَهُ وَلَدٌ رَشِيدٌ رَشِيدٌ جِدًّا. And Azar had an intelligent boy, very intelligent. وَكَانَ آزَرُ لَهُ وَلَدٌ رَشِيد. Rashid means intelligent. وَكَانَ اسم هذا الولد إبراهيم. And the name of this boy was Ibrahim عليه السلام. Before we proceed, it is worth noting that there is some scholarly difference of opinion on whether or not Azar was the father or uncle of Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. This is purely because the word ab linguistically can refer to father or it can refer to uncle. However, once again, that is also beyond the scope of this video, so we will now proceed with the text once again. وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَرَى النَّاسَ يَسْجُدُونَ لِلْأَصْنَامِ. And Ibrahim used to see the people prostrating to idols. وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَرَى. So yara is a fi'l mudari, its madi, its past tense is ra'a. So ra'a, yara means to see. Ra'a yara ru'yatan. يَسْجُدُونَ لِلْأَصْنَامِ, prostrating to the idols. وَيَرَى النَّاسَ يَعْبُدُونَ الْأَصْنَامِ. And he saw, or he used to see, people and nas يعبدون, worshipping the idols. In this case, an-nas is mansub because they are both respectively the object, the maf'ul bihi of the verb yara. Yani they are what Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam saw. وكان إبراهيم يعرف أن الأصنام حجارة. وكان إبراهيم يعرف. يعرف means to know. عرف يعرف. عرف يعرف means to know. This is usually followed by anna. So the verb عرف is usually followed by the word anna. And so وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَعْرِفُ أَنَّ الْأَصْنَامَ حِجَارَةٌ. Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam knew that the asnam, the idols, are stone. And this is why asnam is mansub, because it is the ism of anna. Anna is from inna wa akhawatuha. It is from inna and its sisters. You may know that they make their ism mansub and they make their khabar marfu'. So asnam is the ism of anna and hijara is the khabar of anna. وكان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تتكلم ولا تسمع. And he knew that al-asnam, the idols, لا تتكلم ولا تسمع. تتكلم means speak. So and he knew that the idols do not speak, ولا تسمع, nor do they hear. تكلم is the past tense, so تكلم, يتكلم means to speak, and سمع يسمع means to hear. So then you may be wondering, why is it تتكلم and تسمع instead of يتكلم and يسمع? This is because they are referring to asnam, and as we mentioned in the previous video, asnam is a non-sentient, yani a non-intelligent plural, and non-intelligent plurals are treated as singular feminine in the Arabic language. وكان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تضر ولا تنفع. And he knew that the idols لا تضر, do not harm, يعني they do not cause harm, ولا تنفع, nor do they benefit, يعني they are merely حجارة, they are stone, they can't benefit, they don't bring benefit to people, nor can they harm people, they're just rocks, they can't do anything. وكان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تضر ولا تنفع. ضر, ضر يضر means to harm, and نفع ينفع means to benefit. نفع نفع ينفع means to benefit, and ضر يضر means to harm. وكان يرى أن الذباب يجلس على الأصنام فلا تدفع. And he used to see that الذباب, flies, يجلس على الأصنام فلا تدفع, and he used to see that flies يجلس, يجلس means to sit, and he used to see that flies sit on the idols and they do not repel, yani they do not push the flies off. So jalasa is the madi, jalasa, yajlisu means to sit, ala means on, al-asnam. Al-asnam here is majroor because it is the, here's the ala is the harf jar and asnam is majroor. فلا تدفع, دفع, يدفع means to push or to repel. وكان يرى الفأر يأكل طعام الأصنام فلا تمنع. وكان يرى, and he used to see, الفأر. فأر here means mice or rats. It is a collective noun. The singular is فأرة. So he used to see mice or rats, يأكل eat, طعام الأصنام, the food of the idol's food, فلا تمنع, and the idols did not تمنع, the idols did not stop them. منع means to stop something. منع يمنع means to stop something. وكان إبراهيم يقول في نفسه لماذا يسجد الناس للأصنام. وكان إبراهيم يقول في نفسه, and Ibrahim used to say to himself or in himself. قال يقول means to say. This is a very important verb. It's used very often in the Quran and in Arabic as a whole. قال يقول means to say. في نفسه, nafs means the self, so he used to say to himself, لماذا يسجد الناس للأصنام. Why do people prostrate to idols. وكان إبراهيم يسأل نفسه لماذا يسأل الناس الأصنام. And Ibrahim used to ask himself. يسأل means to ask. سأل, the verb سأل. يسأل means to ask. So Ibrahim used to ask himself, لماذا يسأل الناس الأصنام. Why do people ask idols? Yani why do they ask from idols? And we see here nafsa. If we look at both the words here, one is nafsa and one is nafsi. In the first example, nafsihi is pronounced nafsihi because it is majroor. Fi is a harf jar. And in the second example, nafsahu, it is nafsahu because it is mansub. It is the maf'ul bihi, yani the object of the verb sa'ala yas'alu. And that brings us to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Inshallah you've taken some benefit from the video, and I will see you in the next class inshallah. But that's it from me. Take care, and I'll see you on the other side. Ma'as salama.